Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Arlo Pro 4XL home security camera. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's exchanged hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just going to share with you my experience of using this product over the past few weeks so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the review. As I mentioned earlier, this is the Arlo Pro 4XL. It's a wire-free spotlight home security camera. You're currently seeing the box contents on the table here. Before I run through the box contents and my experience of using this, let's run through some of the main features. Let's take a look at the box. This is the box that it comes supplied in. And it says here you've got 1 year of battery life. That's up to 1 year of battery life from a single charge. These cameras use really big batteries. And depending upon the amount of motion the camera picks up, the amount of time you interact with the camera will determine the actual battery life you get. But up to 1 year of battery life is very, very impressive. We've also got noise cancelling two-way audio. We've got a wide angle view, 160 degrees. We also got colour night vision because this camera has got a spotlight on it. So instead of it switching over to like an infrared black and white night vision, you've got colour night vision video. The built-in spotlight that I just mentioned, very, very good spotlight. We've got cloud recording, we've got high precision AI, so we've got object detection on here, so it can differentiate between a person and maybe an animal, for example. We've got interactive notifications coming through to your phone. We've got custom activity zones. If we go around onto the back, it tells you about the wide angle view, and it really is a very wide angle view on this. We've got all weather protection, 2K resolution on here, and also worth mentioning is the fact that you get a really good app. The app is available in the iOS App Store for your iPhone, also on the Android Play Store or the Google Play Store for Android devices. We've also got voice support, so this will work with the Amazon Voice Assistant and also with Google Voice Assistant. It also works with IFTTT, so you can trigger different actions depending upon how you set the camera up. Now the box contents. So we've got the camera itself, which we'll take a closer look at very shortly. We've got some paperwork, details of how to set up the camera in various languages. We also get a window sticker. In some countries it is a legal requirement that you put a sticker in your window if you're using some sort of security camera. In other countries it's optional. I always suggest putting it in the window. And then we've got some extra regulatory information as well. For mounting the camera, we get a nice sturdy mount. It's a combination of plastics and metals, 3 screw holes on the back. So you use the included hardware, 3 screws and 3 wall plugs in this bag to attach this to your wall. And then this in turn attaches to the back of the camera. And we've got a little ball joint in here, you can loosen this off and adjust the angle. A suggestion I always make, although it's not essential, is I use some sort of Loctite. It's an optional purchase from another manufacturer. Just a little bit of Loctite around the thread makes your camera a little bit more secure, and it's just something I suggest to people who buy these systems. But nice mounting option. We also of course get a charging cable. So this is USB, so USB on this end, and then it's got like a magnetic piece on this end here. Now you don't get a USB charger inside the box, so you have to use your own, but when you plug this in and then it just goes onto the camera this way round, you can see the magnet pulls it into place, and it's like this puck style design, Arlo branded of course, and it allows you to really easily charge your camera. Now if you wanted to charge your camera without taking it down off the wall, you could in theory get an extension cable, and as long as it's good weather you could charge your camera in place. So nice charging cable. Now the battery is a really beefy battery. This is what's going to give you your really good battery life. It's got contacts on the back of the battery here. This slots into the camera and the contacts match up with the contacts in the camera itself. Very, very easy to manage. Nice quality as well. The build quality on this is absolutely fantastic. So decent size battery that's going to give you that up to 1 year of battery life between charges. And to install the battery in the camera, where I showed you this magnetic mount on the bottom a little bit earlier, if we push this button just here, the front of the camera ejects, and then you can remove the inside, battery slots into here, and then you slot it back into place. And it's a little bit of resistance as you slot it back in, because there is a rubber sort of sealing ring around here, which gives it its sort of weather tightness. So just pop it back in, and then it clicks back into place. As easy as that. Let's take a look around the camera. So we've got Arlo branding on the sides. It's quite a large camera. We've got Arlo branding on both sides, threaded mount on the back to use with that wall mount that's going to securely mount that to your wall. We've got the contacts on the bottom for charging. We've got the eject button, and then on the front we've obviously got the optics. We've got a couple of microphones, speaker, spotlight. The microphones give you access to two-way audio, so if you get somebody who perhaps comes to your front door and you're using this on the front of your property, you can talk to them. If you've got intruders at the back of your property, then obviously you can talk to them through the speakers and tell them to go away. Really nice quality two-way audio. I mentioned the spotlight a little bit earlier. More cameras need to have spotlights, because this really does give you good quality colour video footage at night time, in up to that 2K resolution. In daytime, the video quality is stunning. These are some of the best security cameras you can buy. And when you get some motion detection within your activity zone, the notification comes through nice and quickly to your smart device, be that your Android phone or your iPhone. And then when you get that notification, you can interact with it. So you can tap on the notification, see what video is recorded up to the cloud, or you can get a live view and then interact with the person that's activated the motion on your camera. It's a really nice way of doing things, and it works extremely well. I love the design of the camera. As an optional extra, you can get some covers for these. So if you've got different decor or different paint colour on the exterior of your property, you can sort of camouflage these a bit more. They come white, as you can see, but you can get different colours to just sort of hide your camera a little bit better, because they are quite large cameras. But overall, it is a great system. I have been using Arlo products in various versions for many years now, and I can really not fault them. They really do interact really well with the app. It allows you to gain access to all of the video footage they've captured, and just allows you to look back over the past few days. There are subscription models, so you get cloud recording. It stores the video footage up in the cloud, and you have to pay a monthly subscription fee to store that video up in the cloud and to get the full functionality of the camera. It's not too much, and for the added peace of mind and security of your home, I think it's a very negligible fee and well worth considering. The fact that you can then go back over previous video footage that's been captured and download it to your device, like locally, is really very good indeed. Arlo have done a fantastic job with the whole range of their cameras, and this latest Arlo Pro 4 XL with the extended battery life is a really great addition to the range. This particular one, I should also mention, you don't need a hub to connect this. This connects direct to your wireless router, and it works absolutely brilliantly. I can highly recommend it. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to buy this for yourself, there are links down in the video description to where you can buy this. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in another video very soon.